Hello students, welcome you all to St. Mary's English High School, Nalasopara West. So students, today we are going to learn a new topic in Unit 3, that is our needs. In our needs, we are going to learn in lesson number 1, that is our food. So students, in this lesson we are going to see different types of food items. Now we will see how to get energy and strength to keep our body fit. We use our body for a number of activities and movements. We work as well as we play. So our body needs energy and strength. So students, we get energy and strength from the food we eat. Children's food is essential for all the living beings. For example, human beings, trees, birds, and animals, etc. It also helps us to build our muscles and bones. So students, we should eat food because it makes us to grow. Further, we will see about our food consists of. Food consists of cereals, pulses, vegetables, fruit, fish, meat, milk, and eggs. First point, cereals. Jawar, bajra, nachni, and rai are some of the cereals from which we can make bhakri. Students, wheat is used to make chapatis. Rice is cooked and eaten with dal and vegetables. So students, second point we will learn about pulses. There are different types of pulses. They are like peas, green gram, matki, masoor, chawli, and wal are some of these pulses. We also get dals like tur, udit, and chana from pulses. Next we are going to learn about third point, that is vegetables. So students, vegetables supply vitamins to the body. They are like brinjal, cabbage, snake gourd, padwar, pumpkin, bitter gourd or karela, lady's finger or bhendi, cauliflower are some of the vegetables that can be cooked and eaten. Which one do you like? Potatoes, yam, sweet potatoes, and onions are some of the roots that can be cooked and eaten. Spinach, that means palak. Next is fenugreek, that means methi. Chawli and karadai are some of the leafy vegetables that can be cooked and eaten. Next point, that is fourth one, salads. Carrots, tomatoes, cucumber, radish, beetroot, and onions are chopped finely to make salads which can be eaten raw. Next point we will see, that is oil or ghee. There are different types of oil. They are like mustard oil, sesame oil, that means till, groundnuts oil, sunflower oil, and coconut oil. These all are of different types of oil. Similarly, ghee is made from milk and vegetable products. Sixth one, we will learn about different kinds of fruits. Bananas, guavas, apples, mangoes, chicus, papayas, oranges, grapes, sweet limes, pomegranates, figs, watermelons are fruits that are loved by the young and the old one. Seventh point, we will learn about milk. In this, we will learn different kinds of milk products. Milk is the most nourishing food. We get milk from cows, buffaloes, she-goats, etc. Children and the sick people should have enough milk every day. We also get cream, butter, curds, paneer and cheese from milk. Point we are going to see is the care of our diet. The most important questions about our diet are: first, what makes a proper diet? Second, what should be eaten? Third, when should it be eaten? Growing children should eat 4 meals a day. They should have breakfast in the morning, lunch in the afternoon, snacks in the evening, and they should have dinner at night. For breakfast, they should have chapati or paratha, bread butter or poha or upma, etc. Then they should drink milk. For lunch and dinner, they should have a variety of food items like cereals, pulses, vegetables, and salads. It should be a balanced diet. And after meals, they should eat fruits. Evening snacks, they can have biscuits, sweet. We can also have homemade vadas or some homemade samosas. So students, we have finished with this lesson. I hope you all must have understood this lesson. Now let us remember what we have learned in this lesson. First one, chew your food well. Second one, wash your hands well before and after eating. Third one, do not talk with food in your mouth. Fourth one, eat at fixed hours. Breakfast in the morning, lunch in the afternoon, snacks in the evening, and dinner at night. Fifth one, do not overeat or else you get a stomach ache. Sixth one, do not waste food. Seventh one, do not eat stale and uncovered food. Avoid eating food from roadside stalls. Eighth one, wash fruit and vegetables before eating or cooking. Ninth one, do not eat too much of sweets like chocolates, biscuits, and ice cream. Tenth one, eat with a peaceful mind. Thank you, students.